Hey everybody, it's Kelly, getting this out of my way. I am back with day number 18. So this is day number 17. This is the back side of that flip out. This is the story of the ornaments that were my friend's ornaments. So here's the colors I'm working with. It's a softer sort of photo page. So I'm going to do this one that again is soft. This is my Precious Moments nativity scene, which has appeared in this book, but the important part about this is that I used my Cricut to put the Silent Night and the stars on there. I've had this for years. My brother made it for me, and I wanted to do something with this sort of header above the crèche for a long time, and I did not do it. And he made this for me when I was in my like early 20s, so he probably was, I don't know, he was a young teenager when he made this for me. So anyway, I've had it for years. I've probably had it 30 years, and I've always wanted to decorate it. I did. So I want this page to be soft, and I really am thinking I want like a blue or a pink behind here, but I don't have any of that paper left in any paper like that. There was no blue this year. So I went back to my older stash. This is a paper from 2014 from Elle Studio, and this is 2015. So I just want to see how they look. That's okay. I do like the pink here. I actually like this better. So I think what I'm going to do is make sure that this would fit a 4x6 card. I'm just going to cut this against this card because I don't know quite what's happening tomorrow, but I know it will be a good story. Which, by the way, let me talk about tomorrow's video a little bit for you. It's going to be much later than you expect. I'm doing something really special, which means I will not have time to get the video up in the time frame that I normally do. So it will be up, but it will be up much later in the day. Maybe even I'm Central Time. It might even be up in the evening of that day. So know that it's coming, but because I'm having a really fun holiday time, it's a really good holiday thing that I'm going to be doing, it's going to preclude me from getting the video up in the time frame that I normally would. And I'll tell you more about that when I'm scrapbooking day, let's see, this is day 18, so day 19 it will be. To think about that, right? Okay, so there's that. Now I do have these Oh Holy Night phrase stickers, and from Elle Studio, so I think I want to use that on here somewhere. I think that'll be appropriate. I did do a little bit of looking for pink or blue cards, and I didn't have a lot of those. So this has a little bit of creaminess to it. So I'm thinking joyful. This is too yellow compared to that, so I think that'll be good. So I was thinking a little bit earlier about this, and I found this vellum that I love. And I think what I'm going to do is do a vellum piece here so you can see through it. Now I could have done a shaker pocket as well. That could have been another thing. And then I think what I'll do is put, oh, and I like how that looks. So I could do it this way, but for some reason I like it this way. And I think that's carrying over nicely here. I have this little pink label here, which I think would be kind of nice. And we could put it here, or we could put it up here, so it looks kind of like that. Now, the nice part about this is I'm going to want to back probably that, and I have other labels. I have red and green here. The back of this is going to look white, so whatever I do there will be good. There's a gray, so I'll have lots of different things I could use here. I could use this pink as well. I don't know that I like the circle as well as I do this. just having a hard time trying to decide because of that Mary details there. Like where that's going. Okay, just put it down, Kelly. Thank you for telling me that, everyone. Just put it down. I took a class from Heidi Swapp called A Year to Remember in, I think that was 2007, and trust me, that was a year to remember, but not for good reasons. But anyway, she used this philosophy called glue and go all the time. Like, if it looks appropriate, put it down, move on. Not in a, not to have you do things you like, but just to not get caught up. So I'm looking like, okay, so there's one here that says celebrating the birth of Jesus, glory to the light of the world, the wonders of his love. Christ, oh, here's one that says silent night, holy night. Well, that has to go on here, doesn't it? And I think I'll do it from this side. We'll just put it down here in some space. I did find, I don't know if you saw me pick up this heart here. So I think I'll put that heart right there. Let's use a little ATG here. Okay, so liking that so far. Okay, my number 18. Okay, so this number is really what do we want to say? It's very stark compared to the way this page is soft and joyful, which I don't know that I like. I think I like it there better than anywhere else. Let's go back in, see if I have anything that will work here. I'll put that little asterisk there. Would probably need to sit on here. I don't see anything that says anything about, like, there's a love this season in a green color puffy. Oh, here's one in pink. Nope. Let's see, love this tradition, pure happiness. Let's see. I could also go back and look here. Here's one that says, Oh Holy Night. It's pretty small, so I'm probably going to want to add something there, right? Just going to kind of thumb through. I forgot about these. This tree would be good. Would have been good yesterday. Since I did a heart down here, I'm thinking a heart here. Let's do 2 hearts there. I could have done stars too. That would have worked. Okay. Do I want anything here, or do I just want to leave it? That's what I want to do. Okay, we're going to put that enamel down there. It was crowding up here. All right, guys. Yeah, I like these pages. This one is done. I just have to do the journaling. I think this is good as it is. I don't want to add anything more because I want this to kind of stand out, and I love that element. So Again, tomorrow will be a little bit later than you're used to, but it will go up. So hope you guys are well and enjoying this wonderful holiday season. Bye, everybody.